Hello, welcome to my project. This project is called Findpro. It is an application to help finding local services providers. So here we have our login page, and I have put some validations here. If you try to log in with empty fields, you have error messages here. So username is required and password is required. Also, you cannot put a username that's like a number. It must be only letters. And password must be between 4 and 15 characters, at least 4 characters and maximum 15 characters. Password can be a combination of letters and numbers, but has to be minimum 4 characters and maximum 15 characters. After logging in, you will land on the home page, and from here you can navigate clicking on these buttons. This one is to see a list of the local service providers. And then you can see the picture, name, service provider, area served, and a link to see details about his or her profile. So here you can see this local service provider has a picture and a name, an average rating, and the services he or she provides, the area that he or she serves, and the reviews about this pro. This is a review by this user, Adrian. This is the rating and this is the text of the review. And here there is also a form where you can add a review for this pro. And again, I put some validations here. You must enter a rating and you must enter a review. A rating can only be a number. It cannot be a letter. So you see an error message. Please enter an integer. So you have to enter like a number, and it has to be a number between a positive number. So a number between 1 and 10. So if you put 0 here, you have an error message. If you put 11 here, you also have an error message. So let's put like 10. And then let's put also the content must be at least 5 characters and maximum 125 characters. So here's a new review that we add for this pro. So let's come back to the previous page, which is the list, this one here. So from here, you can search for a pro using the name of the pro, or you can use the service that the pro provides. And you can also use capital or lowercase here, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Or you can also search by the area that the pro serves. For example, you can put here south, and then you're gonna find the pro by area as well. There you go. And here you have the number of the list of pros based on this criteria. And then you can also, if you click here, you can join as a pro. So you can create your profile as a local service provider. So again, I have put some validations, formic validations here. So the fields required are the name and the service provided and the area served. So the name, again, it has to be a letter. It cannot be a number. Image is not required, so you can skip that. Or you can put like an image service. It has to be between 4 and 15 characters, so if you put just one character, it's not gonna work. Or if you put too much, you also have an error message. And the area served, you have to enter is a required field. And then you have an alert message saying that your profile is added to the list. So if you come back here to the list, you will see your profile as a pro, as a local service provider here. So you can delete your own profile, or you can edit also your own profile. You can view your own profile. You don't have any review yet, but you can add a review. Or others can add a review for you. And then here you can edit if you decide to change the name, or if you decide to change any of these attributes, you can do it. You can change the picture as well, the service, and the area. So it's changed, and if you refresh the page, it will persist. The changes will be persisted. And then you can also delete your profile. You have a message here saying, an alert saying deleted successfully. So if you refresh the page, well, even if you don't refresh the page, the profile will be gone. Let's do it again, just to show. Okay, so here's the profile. Click on delete, and then it's gone, as you can see. And even if you refresh the page, it's still gone. And then you can click here to log out, and then you can come back to the home page. Of course, you terminated your session, so you have to log in again. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. Again, here we have some validations in place. Must enter username, email, and password. Again, it has to be letters. It cannot be numbers. It has to be an email address. So you have a message invalid email if you don't put a valid email address. And password must have minimum 4, maximum 15 characters. There you go. Also, it has to be like a unique username. So if you try to create an account with a username that already exists, you'll get an error message. Here, please provide valid login details. So you have to come up with something new. Done. Then you're able to create your account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like. See you.